Very good morning to all of you. Start your trading day with Karvy Morning Moves. Indian benchmark indices continues its downward journey in the last trading session, striking weakness across the global market. Amid concern over the outcome of US Federal Reserve meeting and Brexit votes. On the other hand, profit booking from the higher levels in the domestic equities after the recent rallies also took a market low. Banking, auto and financial counters were the major laggards, while the media and the pharmaceuticals sector outperformed the broader market. Technically, Nifty has taken support at 21-day exponential moving average, which is near 8080 zone, and has been holding above it from more than 2 weeks. On the short-term setup, the index took support at 38.20 Fibonacci retracement levels drawn from the swing concern of a recent up move, that is from 7715.80 level to 8294.95 levels. The next support for the index is pegged around 8050-8000 levels, and resistance is placed around 8160-8200 levels on the higher side. The broadest range for the market may be pegged around 8000-8300 levels for the short-term perspective. Even on the derivative sides, Nifty has a crucial support around 8000 level, where highest put writing is witnessed with the more than 70 lakh shares standing in open interest, while 8300 levels may act as a strong resistance for the markets, which has outstanding open interest of more than 55 lakh share on a call side. Therefore, for the day, we recommend to sell Nifty on a rise towards 8130-8140 levels for the target of 8070-8050 levels, keeping stop loss of 8190 levels. For a day, we have 5 calls, out of which we are giving a 3 long and 2 shorts. Amara Raja is a long above 856, keeping stop loss of 845 for a target of 870. Divis Lab is long at 1127, keeping stop loss of 1108 for a target of 1150. Zeal is a long call at 464, keeping stop loss of 458 for a target of 473. C8 is a sell call at 875, keeping stop loss of 885 for a target of 860. Just Dial is a sell call at 635, keeping stop loss of 648 for a target of 615. Have a nice trading session. Thank you.